Adolescence and drug or alcohol abuse. This topic is taken from the chapter of human health and diseases. Okay. Alcohol or drug abuse normally starts in adolescence, which is the period between 12 to 18 years, transition phase between childhood and adulthood. Use of alcohol or drugs mainly starts in the adolescence period. Okay, adolescence is a period which links childhood and adulthood. It mainly starts during 12 to 18 years. It is a transition phase. Okay, when a young person develops from child to an adult, then it is known as adolescent period. It is the period between 12 to 18 years, okay, which links between childhood and adulthood. During this stage, alcohol or drug usage normally starts. Okay. Many adolescents are motivated towards drugs, alcohol due to the curiosity and experimentation. Okay. Use of alcohol or drugs is mainly due to the curiosity, that is excitement, interest, and experimentation, which is excitement, discoveriness towards the alcohol or drugs mainly motivates the use of drugs and alcohol. Peer pressure, academic stress, unstable family structure further incline youth towards the alcohol or drug abuse. Okay. Pressure. Peer pressure means the pressure given by the society or family, that is called as peer pressure. Then academic stress due to the knowledge, education, stress towards the study is known as academic stress. Unstable family structure means there might be problems in the family, unstable family, lot of problems, then that leads you to take the alcohol or drugs, which is very wrong. Let's move towards the next point. Perception of consuming alcohol or drug being cool and progressive, and use of alcohol or drugs in television, movies, etc. further promote this habit. Okay, the motive of consuming alcohol or drug is to look cool and progressive, but which is not. Okay, to look cool and progressive, people think they can look cool and progressive, so they consume the alcohol or drugs, which is completely wrong and bad for health. So in movies or in the television, we find that alcohol or drugs has been used as a part of the movie or any serial, but which is completely wrong. This promotes the habit, means this is helping others to take it, which is very wrong. Addiction and dependence. So basically you should understand what is addiction. Addiction means physically and mentally depending on the alcohol or drugs. So when a person uses alcohol or drugs repeatedly, he becomes addicted. Okay, when a person consumes alcohol or drugs repeatedly, continuously in his lifetime, then what happens? Then he become addicted. Then he always depends on the drugs and alcohol. Addiction refers to the physiological attachment to certain effects such as euphoria and temporary feeling of well-being associated with the use of alcohol or drugs. So addiction is the physical attachment to the certain effects of such as euphoria. Euphoria means feeling of excitement or happiness, joy, etc. is a euphoria. And temporary feeling of well-being, it is a temporary feeling, not a permanent happiness for you by the use of drugs. It is a temporary feeling for short time of well-being, which is associated with the use of alcohol or drugs. In addiction, tolerance level of receptors present in our body increases towards the drugs. Okay. Receptors which are present in our body to get the drugs or requirement of drugs increases due to the usage of alcohol or drugs. So what happens? The receptors which are tolerance level of receptors which are present in our body, they require drugs continuously. So this increases towards the drugs. This drives the person to use them even when they are not required or when they tend to harm his health or family life. Okay, when a person knows that drugs or alcohol is harmful for his health, but also he approaches to take this even when he does not require these drugs, then he knows that it harms his health and even his family life, but also he use it. This is very dangerous, and this is basically known as addiction towards the alcohol or drugs. Subsequently, the user runs into vicious circle of addiction and subsequent dependence. Okay, then what happens? The person runs in the vicious circle of the addiction, that is the dependence on the drugs and alcohol physically as well as mentally, and a large dependence on it. Okay, he by without these drugs and alcohol he cannot survive. That stage comes. Dependence leads to the manifestation of withdrawal syndrome on continuation of use. Okay. So what is manifestation? Manifestation is the emotion or any feeling which is not real, but it is made real, but it is theoretically made real. Okay. This dependence leads to manifestation basically on the discontinuous use of alcohol or drugs. So let us understand what is withdrawal syndrome. Withdrawal syndrome: anxiety, nausea, sweating, shakiness, and sometimes may be lethal. These are the withdrawal syndrome. It is basically a feeling of worriness or nervousness. This starts happening when the discontinuous use of alcohol or drugs takes place. Okay. Then nausea. Nausea is a feeling of sickness. You feel sick all the time. Then sweating. You sweat. Then shakiness. You becomes insecure or shake. Then and sometimes may be lethal. Lethal means which leads to death. Okay, lethal is a death. By discontinuation of use of alcohol or drugs may be lethal. So dependence or addiction of alcohol or drugs is very dangerous. So you must avoid it as much as possible.